we got rolling in here? But I wanted to help you out with your new build.
Oh, wow.
Pony did not want this on his car, but I'm gonna put it on anyway. That's not good. Let's see if he notices, guys. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and today we are back at Fox Mustang Restoration, but we're not gonna spend a bunch of time on the SSP today. Well, I am, but you're not gonna see it in this video because I actually have some friends coming over here today. Kevin Builds, if you missed that video, he is gonna be here today. They gave him a Foxbody here.
Matt and I have decided to give you this car as your first Foxbody, for real.
Whoa.
Yeah, there you go. Look at that smile. And then we also have my good friend, Pony Night. Actually, he's coming in right now. Let's go meet Pony 1992. We got rolling in here. This is a Foxbody. What's going on? Pony 1992 don't drive a Foxbody. He drives stepchildren. What's up, man? I don't know what's going on here today. Pony. Good to see you, man. You're my neck of the woods. This is my studio.
I made it.
Yeah, that's what he called it, studio. I don't know. It works for me. But you got something in your hand there you're bringing for me. It's not Carolina blue.
No,
It matches the color of this
steel.
shirt. Oh wait, Ram Clutches. That's right. You're sponsored by Ram Clutches. I like the hat.
I gotta get that plug in there.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll check out the back.
All right, what's he got? All right, there you go. He's got a Ram Clutch in his Project Stepchild. Which this is, as I was just saying, this is not Stepchild. This is, I know what this is. This is a Foxbody. This is the Daily, but it's the X Daily.
X Daily.
X, you have an X now. He has an X, all right. Luckily, I don't have one of those. You know, Tiffany, I hope things are going well at home. We still love you and everything. But anyway, what have you got there for me, man? Let's lay this thing out here on the hood. This Pony's always got his monster. Gotta have the monster.
Yeah.
That's not the white one, though. I thought you liked the white monster.
I need to pick up a sponsorship from
Oh, mission. Hey, speaking of,
man.
There we go. All right, guys, so we got the classic Pony 1992. These are new shirts, which you're gonna have at Ford Takeover.
Yep.
All right, but this is my favorite part, guys. I already got the sneak peek on this one, but let's look at this, check this out. Hashtag save the manuals. I love it. Your stepchild's a manual. Oh, that's kind of funny on this car because she's an auto, but that's because she's an X Daily.
That's why I see that. Good deal with it.
Yeah. I have a manual as well. I have two of them, and Pony, neither one of them run. You know, neither one of my manuals run. Well, that's not true. Technically, Tar Heel could run, but it shouldn't run. So,
It wouldn't run it.
yeah. You know, bearing damage, something like that. But anyway, we're doing some other things today. So, oh, one more thing, Pony. You did happen to run into one more thing on your way up here. We just found out about, which let's check this out, guys. Check out the luck Pony 1992 has. That's not good. What is that, buddy?
It looks like it's sitting in paper clip.
I mean, you know why it's happened? Because you got to save the manual shirt in the auto car. That's what. No, I don't know why it happened.
Maybe the X is just that.
Yeah, that's what it is. No, you know, that's why it happened, guys. He has not been showing attention to this car. It's been replaced. He replaced his Foxbody, and this is how she replaced him. All right, got to go get my shirt. Let's get inside. Wind's picking up. Okay, just like that, out with the Carolina for Pony 1992, and we're rocking his shirt, but you know, Carolina's coming back. Don't worry, guys, don't worry. But, Pony, thank you for the shirt, appreciate it. We've got another celebrity in here besides yourself, Mr. Kevin Builds.
What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the channel. You enjoying that new Foxbody you got?
Yes, I love it.
Yeah, you've been putting out a lot of content already on it. I think the guy has like 5 videos already. Yeah. What you've already you changed the tail lights, which everybody's happy about. You're happy about those tail lights, right, Tony?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I want to see the other ones lit up though, because I've never seen.
I know, I've never seen. If you get the Euro tail lights working, let us know. But I don't think they're going back on the car.
No way.
Yeah. And you've also got the new wheels.
New wheels, yes.
Yeah.
The ponies.
And you kind of fixed your top a little bit, and
yes.
Okay.
I put a piece of tape for the water, so no water, because it's been storming lately.
Yeah.
These past couple of days, so I didn't want any water to go inside and rust the floor pan. So
you're enjoying it so far.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, and the content is flying out. So, but we've got Pony and I got together today, We got something a little for you. Dueling GoPros here. What's going on? There you go. All right. All the cameras around for you, Kevin.
Yeah.
But so we've laid a few things out on this table. So let's get into this right here. Let's see. Well, first of all, I want to go first here. I got something for both of these guys. I can't let Pony be the only one to hand out a shirt. So there you go, brother.
Nice.
You're official.
Official now.
I can't ever hardly sell any of these, so you know, I just give them away.
I'm an official gearhead.
Yeah, we got it. Let me show them the back in case they forgot, because the back's the best part. There you go. It's not just a Mustang, it's a Foxbody. He can only wear this when he drives the daily. So just so you know.
Your shirts are more fancy.
They are. That's why nobody buys them. So anyway, there you go, sir. That's a shirt for you.
Awesome, man. Appreciate
Yeah,
that.
no problem. Appreciate it. And Kevin, finally have your own Gearhead 704 shirt.
Wow.
So there you go.
Really nice. Thank you.
Sure. I mean, it's convertible. You're a vert guy now, so there you go.
Perfect.
All right, I got one more thing for these
Tell
guys.
them that's your car on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, just tell them it's your car.
That's mine.
There you go. I got one other thing, actually. So here's your Gearhead 704 sticker.
I can put this on my vert.
Yo, I'd love if you would. You don't have to. All right.
Yeah.
He's actually going to put it on.
I can
Nice.
put it right there in the corner in the back of my
Yes,
so.
that'll look good. Kevin's making my day here, y'all. Kevin's making my day. And then Pony, you've already got one, don't you?
Yeah.
It's on your toolbox.
On my toolbox, yeah.
Yeah. Do you want one on the daily? I don't know if he does. Guys, the daily has such nice Pony 1992 stickers. I'll tell you what we're going to do, though.
You might sneak it on.
I'm going to get, I'm going to do something. So, Kevin, what I've got for you today. All right, Kevin, what I got for you today is you already have one of these, but I won this. I actually won this at Foxtoberfest 2 years ago before I even knew Matt and Jen. I won this part.
Okay, winner is 636.
Yes. Woo! That was worth it.
Yeah.
And I think Kevin might want to go with this one. If not, sell it. But I wanted to help you out with your new build. So, take a look, see what you got there.
Oh, wow.
You know what that is?
Yes, the cow.
Brand new cow grill,
Grill.
which they sell these here at Fox Mustang Restoration. And there should be, yeah, here's a
The
kit with it. So it's not original Ford. This is a Dan Carpenter,
Yeah.
you know, remanufactured. But I think this is a little nicer than the one you got.
yeah, the one has a crack on it.
Yeah.
It had to be sanded up, bondoed, put some paint on it, everything. So
That sounds like a lot of work.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I shouldn't give him this, guys, so he can do all the work.
Do all the work and have this for you guys.
See, he knew that. No, but there you go. I wanted you to have a fresh new one. So if you want to slap that on, there you go, man.
I'll probably put it on today. Make a video of me putting it
There
on
you go.
today.
I gave him video content already.
Thank
So
you.
yeah, no problem, man. We want to help you out. That's what this video is all about. Is we're trying to figure out ways to help Kevin. We're going to tell you guys about how you can do that here in just a second before my man Pony has something special for Kevin too.
They were sitting around collecting dust, and I said, well, what better way to use them than to donate them to Kevin so he can put them on his new-to-him Foxbody convertible.
All right, guys. Yeah, so Pony just gave this to Kevin. Let's see what's in the box here. You got something new. Oh, it looks fancy. Pony brought a bigger box. Ooh.
Wow. These look really nice.
that headlight.
Look at these. Beautiful.
Nice.
I
love
think that
these.
look good on the blue, too.
I
Yeah.
do. Yeah.
It looks so good.
Got to get something to help out the not Carolina blue.
Yeah.
Dude, these are nice, Pony. Oh, look at that.
Wow. These are beautiful.
Very nice of you to do, Mr. Pony, sir.
Really
Yeah, look at
nice.
that. So, Kevin's getting stuff today, and like I said, that's the point of the video. But what I did want to tell you guys about is if you also want to help Kevin like Pony and I did today, you can do that. So, Kevin, you have started
GoFundMe
a GoFundMe.
page.
Yep, and I'll include that link down below if you guys want to do that, donate money. But there's also a couple other ways people can help you out as well, right?
If you have any parts that are new or in used good condition that you have laying around, you don't need anymore, you'd like to donate to me, that'd be a big help for me trying to restore my Foxbody Mustang. My Instagram page is kevinbillions_YT. You can contact me there, and my email is also on my page, my Instagram page too. And if you guys would like to, you can ship here to FMR.
If they're in the area, kind of like
Oh
what
yes, in the
you
area,
could
like
drive.
North Carolina, South Carolina, or the surrounding areas, I can drive and meet you too. So go ahead and shoot me a DM on Instagram, and I'll be happy to go get them.
Okay, cool. Yeah, so like you guys heard there, you can send parts here to FMR that you want to donate to Kevin, or you can go ahead and hit him up on Instagram DM, and maybe he can come pick them up. So yeah, we got that. And there is one other way you guys can help him, and I'm gonna have somebody else tell you about that. So stay tuned, that's coming in just a second. All right, guys, we're outside. Pony did not want the sticker on his car, but I'm gonna put it on anyway. So I'm gonna get him today. I got Kevin here with me. We got some stuff to clean it. And so I'm gonna let Kevin film for me. But Kevin, I think we found a spot, right?
Yes.
Where are we gonna go?
Right there.
That's right, right there. So get ready for some gearhead stuff. All right, all right. Cool, how you like that, Pony? You got some Gearhead 704 on you. I think we got him, Kevin.
Yeah.
I think we got him. Yeah, let's see if he notices, guys. Guys, look at Jeremy over there vlogging.
Maybe you rubbed off on
What happened, man? You come to my place and the stuff's broken. Just like my car out there. Broken. Now your car's broken.
It's not broke, it's just
So Pony's trying to figure out his tire on his car. I don't know what he's doing. Anyway, I left him alone because like I told you guys, there is one more thing that you can do to help Kevin. And Kevin, you don't even know about it.
No, I'm so
No.
confused.
And but we've got Jen here to kind of talk about it. So welcome again to the channel, Jen, co-owner of Fox Mustang Restoration.
Yes.
Yep. And what do you got
it was
for
pretty
us?
exciting because over the last week we've heard from a lot of people that are excited about us giving Kevin this car and about kind of getting to know Kevin and excited that there's a young person that is so passionate in the same way that we are about Foxbody. So I have heard from a few people and some people have asked how they can help, and someone who wants to remain anonymous but is a local person that we've seen is working on a project. We've seen them at our curbside pickup a lot frequently. He called and said he would like to purchase a gift certificate for Kevin from Fox Mustang Restoration. So
Cool.
Here is our gift certificate for $40 from an anonymous person.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's good.
So that's Fox
So-
Resto cash.
Yeah. And
So if whoever donated this to me, thank you a lot. It means a lot. It's definitely gonna help.
yeah, absolutely. Every little bit helps.
Every
and so,
little help. Yep.
Yeah, and so that's one more way that you can help Kevin. If you would like to call and get gift certificates from Fox Resto, you're certainly welcome to do that, and we will pass them on to Kevin. And one other thing that we're doing, Kevin's dad actually had some NOS center caps. These are for the triple white feature car. As you can see, it's a white center cap, which is very specific to those cars. And we have several sets of them that his dad had, so we're going to put these on our eBay store, which is Fox Mustang Restoration is our user ID, and we're going to auction these off, and then all the proceeds are going to go to Kevin for these center caps. So that's one more way. If you have a triple white car, you can certainly help Kevin that way.
Yeah, and these are new old stock.
Yeah, absolutely. It's going to be a complete set. I think there are 3 complete sets.
Okay.
So we'll be posting those up pretty soon on our eBay store.
Cool. Yeah, I remember seeing that video, Kevin.
Yes.
So you had no idea at that time when you got that video,
Yeah.
it's going to benefit you. That's very cool. Yeah, so what we'll do on that, guys, like Jen said, it's going up on eBay. I will have the eBay store down below, so just keep checking that thing because there's all kinds of good stuff on there. But those are 3 ways you can help Kevin out, or maybe 4. I don't know how many ways we got now. A lot of ways to help Kevin out. So very cool, Kevin. Everybody wants to see how you're going to build this Foxbody, and you're already pumping out the videos. I was telling him, Jen, he's like way faster than Gearhead. I know. He's getting it out.
He's got a lot of free time.
Yeah, that's true.
This
So
is his job essentially at this point.
yeah, you know, Kevin, I think I want your job. But anyway, very cool. Hey, Jeremy, before you get in your car, you notice anything different about it?
That's perfect. That's perfect. Is it center?
Kinda. I messed up the corner a little bit. Yeah. So there you go. You get to take Gearhead 704 home with you. Who knew?
You might pick up some subs.
Yeah. Who knows? All right, guys, you heard about all the ways you can help Kevin here today. You know, you can have parts shipped here to Fox Resto. You can support him through his GoFundMe. You can contact him if you have parts locally and he'll come pick him up. And you can also buy gift certificates here at Fox Resto, and he can use those to restore his Foxbody. But anyway, I definitely want to help him out. I know a lot of you guys have asked me, so I wanted to include all that today. But we are wrapping up here. We did have a lot of fun. I got Mr. Jeremy Pony 1992 with a little sticker. So you're repping now. I love it. You look good now. Now you got a Gearhead car, Gearhead supported car. And I need one of those big.
Oh, it's supported by Gearhead.
Well, sort of. Yeah. You're in line.
Sponsored.
You're in line. As soon as the SSP is done and Charcoal Fox is done, then it'll be you. Actually, I do need another Foxbody. What do you think, guys? Let me know down in the comments below if I should buy his hatchback here. I've never had a hatch. And he does have a price. It's a high price, but I could pay it for my buddy. So. We'll see. We'll see. Let me know if you want to see me buy that car. Let me know. What do you think, Kevin? Should I buy that and buy another Foxbody?
Sure, why not? You never have too many Foxbodies.
Kevin is not helping.
It's already started.
I know this kid. Anyway, definitely check both these guys out on YouTube if you're not already. Jeremy Pony 1992. I'll have that information down below. Kevin, who is Kevin Builds on YouTube. Check them out. Everything down below. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I don't know if Jeremy's gonna get home. We'll find out if he gets home. I don't know. We'll watch his video for that to find out. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe because I do upload. How many times a week, Jeremy, do I upload?
2 times a week.
That's right, 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. And we'll see you next time here on Gearhead 704. Kevin has started on his YouTube channel. God, I can't talk. Sorry. I know what it is. He's distracting me putting that stuff back in the box. See, this should go on bloopers, man. Don't say sorry. You're fine.
Don't get me start laughing.
Yeah, that'll come in the whole time.
I'm gonna laugh through the entire time.
Oh man, this is definitely not going in. Okay. Pony's checking out Cream over there. He wants to take her home. This is why I have to edit.
I'm just gonna randomly walk around.
Yeah, do it. Maybe this will go in at the end.